goodness, what do we have here today? New review. And yes, these are not Vapor Maxes. Today, we got the Air Foamposite 1. So, as you can see here, cut it with a knife, but let's go. Oh, what the? Oh wow, a box that comes off. Oh, we in the big leagues now. All right, let's put it in here. And let's get to the, you know it's gonna be a good shoe. God damn. When you got the Nike custom paper. You know, let's go. Boom. Now look at that. Damn, I have never seen a shoe. Wow, look, they even folded it right there. I have never seen a shoe. I have never had a shoe like this in my life. What are these, like the Houston Rockets? Damn. Like this is literally like, what is this, carbon fiber or some crap? God damn. So these are air, right? Air Foamposite. Where's the air at? Wow, this is fancy. Yo, where's the air at? Like, those of you who know, comment down below where the air is at. But anyways, right off the bat, I know the Chinese made these. I'm not being racist or anything, but like they smell. That is kind of racist, huh? But anyways, they smell like out of a nail salon. Like, you know that alcohol smell? That's how they smell right now. Yo, this is a really like, I had never seen a shoe like this. Like, sorry guys, I'm not really showing the shoe. I need to pause for a second and really look at them. Hold on, give me a second. All right, guys, so looked at them. You saw the clips. Let's see. First thing I like about the shoe is that it's got a wide gap opening, like right off the bat. Like already, like you don't even gotta unlace the shoes. Like you already have, like, it's wide, easy slip on. And so I did a little research on the Foamposite ones. These are, it's got Zoom Air technology. So it has cushioning in the shoe. And these are a throwback to 1997. Now, these are all facts right here. I ain't making nothing up, you know, like I usually do. You know, this is funny right here. The fact that the lacing goes all the way to the bottom. I have never seen a shoe like that. I'm curious to see how they're going to look on the feet. Overall feel of the shoe, it's very, like, hard, you know, like I have never felt a shoe with, like, this material here. I don't know what material it is. Bottom looks like it has like super, like, you know, you got Michelin tires on here, you know you got money when you got Michelin tires, you know. So if you know where I got that from, comment down below. Here, this looks like an Adidas Boost material, because it's like very like this to me feels like Adidas material. This right here, I've had a lot of Adidas, my favorite shoes. I'm gonna show you guys what my favorite shoe of all time is in the next video. Also in the next video, I'm gonna be releasing the giveaway list, and then the next video, the winner for the red carpets. But if you want to win these shoes, comment down below your favorite word. It's got to be a positive, your favorite positive word, and I'll enter you to the giveaway. Now, I'm only doing 50 because I'm going to be doing the red carpet giveaway, and that thing just is taking me too long, you know, to put 100 names in the whole chart. So 50 is going to be the limit. If you want to enter it, comment your favorite positive word in the comments down below. back to the video. So make sure you do that, but I just want to give you guys a look. Here's the side view. Here's the back view. Comment down below what NBA player wore these or how these got famous and why are they so expensive. I need to know. So the benefits of these shoes, I will let you know when I have them on the feet. Side view, front view, point of view. All right, guys. So quick little like fun facts about the shoe. The bottom here, the traction is called the herringbone pattern, and it's pretty much like for traction. If you notice, the ground's wet right now. You don't see me slipping. Look at that. You do not see me slipping. So it's got Zoom Air technology. Don't ask me where. I'm pretty sure this is Zoom technology. I don't know. I don't know why they call it air. Because usually for me, air would be like some type of air bubble. But for example, this one really doesn't have it. Foamposite and fabric for upper are lightweight. And it does give a modern look. So I'm getting these facts from the actual website. So they look sick, man. All right, so point of view, right away, these are fire. Like, let's put it into perspective right here. Like, these are your, like, you can ball out in these, wear some shorts, you know, some jeans. It's an all-out shoe right here. No, I got nothing bad to say. The only thing bad right now is that if you notice, you can't have them loose because they'll slip out. Brought a little basketball for y'all. You know, I got some handles. So make sure you're recording. As you can see here, we got the shoes. You know, just show it off a little bit of the moves. You know, look at that. Look at that. Oh. Tune into the next one. Check that out. So you guys want to build a pull-up bar, just like the one over there. Well, I'm going to teach you guys how to do it. First thing you need to do, you need to make these butthole holes. 1, 2. They're about 7 feet. Gotta get Home Depot one of these buckets. It's got to be able to fit in there. You're going to put the post in there, drill some holes at the top. You need a bar